Hello guys, it's me, Direct Athlete 68. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix your CAD MDT on FivePD. One, you're going to want to go to PHP myadmin, whatever it is. So you're going to want to go there, and you're going to want to go to the can't think, the one that your database that you are using. I'm using this one here. You're going to want to go to users. You're going to find the user, like this is me here. You're going to go to edit. You're going to find is admin, make sure that it's set to 1. That is to where you are an admin. That's to where you can edit stuff. And after that, you can go to departments. You can go to insert. You can insert the ID. I don't really care what that is. Name, you can just put anything really. You don't really have to fill these out. You can just press go. Boom, you created a new department, and this department's this department's ID is 2. You can then go to department managers. You can do insert. You can user ID, like my ID is 1. I don't have a rank ID. Department ID is 2. Accepted is 1. I'm gonna press go. Let's go edit this. Okay, we should be able to go to department members. 1. Okay. Insert. User ID is going to be 1. Department ID is going to be 2. Accepted is going to be 1. That should be that. Go. Don't care about that. Cool. Press down here and just press go. Okay. Apparently don't do that. Okay. I don't think that really matters. Okay, should be able to go to department members again. That is how you do it. Just keep messing around with it until you find the issue here. And yeah, so there's that, and that will then allow you to join the to join the department and do your thing. But if you're having issues to where you cannot access the to where you cannot access the to where you cannot close the CAD, I don't know how to speak. Basically, you are going to take the original thing. It's gonna be let me go ahead, new text document. Okay, so let's say that so when you originally download it, it is FivePD, capital F, capital P, capital D. But if you want to be able to edit it, you can do, well, close it. You can do FivePD, and there you go. That is how you, don't know why my screensaver just went black, but okay. That is how you change the name to all lowercase. You edit it in the server.cfg, and then it will start to work.